Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be discussing the top 3 US new EV startup companies that have huge upside potential in your investment. And we will be talking about this and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. I do have very nice promotions right now. If you use my link down below to Moomoo, I can get you a free Lucid stock. Put in $100, that Lucid stock is yours. In addition to this, Moomoo is giving my viewers up to 5 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. My viewers so far have written me and they have received Netflix, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, and Amazon stocks. Don't forget to get your free stocks. Now, without further ado, we have seen a lot of downward pressure in the stock market. The tech stocks and the EV stocks continue to sell off. Huge downward pressure we've seen in the past 1 month. That does give us very nice buying opportunities. I did comb through all the stocks, electric vehicle stocks, and I did want to just focus on the United States new EV startup companies. And there are 3 major ones that I did want to bring to your attention that I do think that have huge potential of upside on your money. And we will be talking about these in order of increasing the upside potential on your money. We will be starting with number 3 on the list is Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. Lucid Motors is a brand new EV startup company that just actually started in October of 2021. They have started their delivery vehicles of the Lucid Air Dream that has up to 1,111 horsepower, 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds, the longest range out of any electric vehicle in the world of 520 miles on a single charge that has won numerous awards, including Motor Trend's 2022 Car of the Year. That being said, I do think that Lucid has great potentials moving forward because it is the best company, in my opinion, that has the most energy efficient vehicle that can compete with Tesla. We do know that they have very nice roots, very nice engineering that stems from Tesla, as the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, did develop the Tesla Model S back in the year 2012, and we know that that vehicle succeeded and is still on the road right now. Now, I do think that Lucid will continue to do great things. This year, they are planning on making 20,000 of its electric vehicles, ranging anywhere from $77,000 all the way up to $170,000, but they have huge potential in huge revenue. This year alone, they will be making those 20,000 vehicles, which will give it a potential of $2.2 billion in revenue just this year alone. Huge, again, potential in this stock. Now, the Lucid stock just today did go down 6%, has been on a huge sell-off, as with all EV and tech stocks have been feeling in the past few months. But now in the past 5 days, we are now down 10.3%. We did have a high of $42.68, but have since sold off. We are at a very, very nice buying point. If you can get this stock, I have been saying under $40, you are getting a great deal. If you can get this stock under $38, it is a steal of a deal. This stock just keeps dropping with the downward pressure that we are seeing in the markets right now at $35.46. Incredible deals. If you can actually get this at this price, you're going to have a great upside potential in your money. But right now, the lowest price that we have seen in the past 5 days is $34.90. If you look in the past 1 month, we have had a stabilization of $36 in this stock, but we are now testing new lows. So definitely put this on your watch list as it has huge upward potential. Now, according to Wall Street and analysts, we do have 6 analysts that have reviewed this to give it a strong buy, which it gives it a price target in the next 12 months ranging at $60. We do have 3 analysts that are holding this stock. They have an average price target of about $39 to $40. They are telling us to hold. We do have 1 sell that is from Morgan Stanley. That does give it a lowest price target in the next 12 months at $16. If you average all these 3 together, this does give it $41.20, which is a 16.2% upside from the stock right now. Again, if you can get this stock under that $38, $36, These are the steal of a deal prices right now. Huge discounts we have seen in the market. With this big sell-off, I definitely think Lucid Motors should be on your watch list. Now transitioning to number 2 on the list, EV startup companies, Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. As you know, Rivian has also just recently come on the market around the same time as Lucid Motors. They actually went on the stock market a little bit later on November 10th. On this date, just actually 6 days into the trading, they went on the stock market IPO at $72. Just in a matter of 6 days, its stock went all the way up to $172. It was really hyped up, but it has had a huge crash down. Now, Rivian is a very nice electric vehicle truck company. It's the very first electric truck to be on the market. It did beat Ford and Tesla to be the first truck on the market. And again, Motor Trend did name it the 2022 Truck of the Year, the R1T pickup truck. They do also make a R1S, which is the SUV. Both of these vehicles are very beautiful. In my opinion, they do also have a huge utility. These vehicles can go anywhere and do anything. Now, where they fall short is their range, their battery life. This is not as energy efficient, let's say, as Lucid Motors. Right now, when you do look at the miles driven per kilowatt hour, Lucid Motors on average can get about 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour. So Rivian right now is a lot more electron hungry. It does definitely use a lot more electricity to power its vehicle. It does get 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour, and this could be because it has 4 electric motors on each wheel, definitely using a lot more energy. But again, for this pickup truck, it will go anywhere and do anything. Plus 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. Definitely has very nice potentials. Now, as we have seen, Rivian has gone through quite a bit of a downward pressure, especially since it has not hit those delivery marks for the year 2021. Rivian stock right now is trading at $59.61 in the past 1 day. It has also gone down 6.7%, a little bit more than Lucid, but both of these are down quite a bit right now. In the past 5 days, you have also seen a huge sell-off of even more, 20% down on this stock. We started about 5 days ago at about $75. We have gone down as low as $56 in this stock. Again, we are still dropping. I am not sure that we have found a base or a bottom on this stock as well. Again, because it is downward pressure in the stock market, but this does give us definitely good buying opportunities. Again, in the past 1 month, you do see this downward slope. We are still dropping on Rivian. We have not come to a bottom. I do think that Lucid Motors is a lot more stable of a stock. We have tested a lot more of the stabilization, but with Rivian, we do keep falling. If you can get this stock under $50, you are getting a steal of a deal in this stock just based on future projections. And Wall Street really does love this stock, and I'll definitely show you its future projections. But Rivian as a company does have a lot to prove. They are backed by Amazon. Amazon is not only a shareholder, they own about 20% of Rivian's stock, but they are also a consumer. So Rivian will be making the electric delivery vans for Amazon. Just this year, for the year 2022, Rivian will be making about 10,000 delivery electric vehicles to just Amazon alone. And by the year 2030, they do have a contract to deliver 100,000 electric delivery vans. But most recently, we have heard some news from Amazon that they are choosing to outsource their electric delivery vans to RAM, the company RAM. So this has put on a lot of downward pressure on Rivian. So far, we've had a lot of bad news on Rivian, but it does give us very nice buying opportunities. Again, you might want to put this on your watch list. Let me just show you what the analyst Wall Street is saying about Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. As I mentioned, a lot of the analysts really love this stock. 11 are giving it a buy with the highest price target of $170. There are 4 analysts that are saying it a hold. They do give it an average of a price target in the next 12 months of about $120. The lowest price target that we do see with RIVN Rivian in the next 12 months is $94. Even looking at the lowest price target and what the price is of the stock right now, $59, you are getting a huge upside potential in this stock. If you do average all three of these together, this does give it roughly $135, which is 125% upside in your investment right now, according to the Wall Street analyst, in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year. Now, the number one company that has the biggest upside potential, according to the analyst, the Wall Street analyst, is Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. So Fisker, if you're not familiar with, is the second time to go around. The very first time Fisker did come out on the market was the year 2012. It did come out with the vehicle Fisker Karma. They did make about 800 vehicles, and back then they did have a lot of problems with their battery supplier, their battery technology, and as a result, the company did bankrupt. But now they are coming back, and they are coming back strong. Now, Fisker will be coming on the market very strong with its brand new electric vehicle, the SUV Fisker Ocean, which is due to be starting deliveries on October of this year, 2022. And it will be utilizing and outsourcing its vehicle production through Foxconn and Magna. In my opinion, I do think that Fisker has a lot to prove because they have not made any vehicles yet. They will also not on their own be producing these vehicles. But this company has huge upward potential if they can execute. That being said, Fisker will be delivering their first vehicle in October 2022, which will be the Fisker Ocean. It will be an SUV vehicle. I definitely think that there will be a huge demand for this, as I do think that SUVs are selling a lot more than sedans. And it does have some very nice technology that no other vehicle has right now. And whenever I do look at new companies, I do look at new technology, and they do have an option where you can have solar panels on the roof of the Fisker Ocean that can provide up to 2,000 miles of range just in 1 year if you live in an area that has a lot of sun. So now, if they can make this vehicle and if they can produce, if they can hit it out of the park, this stock is going to go nuts. But right now, this stock is dirt cheap, and that is why it is making the number one list. But they have a lot to prove. Now, that being said, I did want to show you this stock as it is dirt cheap right now. But Fisker, the ticker symbol FSR, just today ended the day trading day at $11.50. It actually went down as low as $11. Touching $11.09 was its low, down 4% just today alone. In the past 5 days, look at this huge sell-off, 19% down. We actually went below $11. Huge opportunities, huge upside potential in this stock. But we did have in the past 5 days, we went up from $14, dropped all the way down to $10.50. It is actually a 26% downside just in the past 5 days. Huge downward potential, but a very nice buying opportunity. Going back 1 month, again, you can see a huge sell-off, 32.7%. We did have a resistance, a high of $17.40. But again, you can see this downward slope. We are still falling on Fisker stock. I don't think that we have found the bottom on this one as well. But again, if we go 6 months, even further out, you can definitely see that we have gone up as high as $23.68. Since that highest point, we have been down 51, almost 52%. But we do have, again, an opportunity to go a huge upside potential. So let me just show you this. This is according to Tip Ranks. We have a total of 7 analysts reviewing this stock. 5 are actually giving it a strong buy with the highest price target of $40 from Mr. Jonas, Morgan Stanley analyst, that actually gave Lucid Motors the lowest rating of $16 in the next 12 months. He gives it the highest price rating for Fisker at $40. But the majority are giving it a moderate buy. We do have 2 a hold. The hold prices are about $20, $25 in its stock price. The lowest price target is $18. If you average all these together, this does give it $27.14. But look at this huge upside potential, 136% upside in Fisker stock. If you can get Fisker under $10, I mean, that is a steal of a deal. Will it go under $10? It is definitely a potential. But even under that $11, you are getting a very, very nice price. I would even call it a steal of a deal if you hold the stock long term. Again, Fisker has a lot to prove, but if they can nail it, if they can deliver, this stock is going to do amazingly, amazingly well. But again, I did show you the top 3 United States electric vehicle startup companies according to the Wall Street analysts. But I hope you like this. Let me know down below which of these 3 you prefer is the best of these stocks, which has the best future potential. I have given you my thoughts on this. Let me hear from you as well. But thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Most importantly, share this page with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, as we can continue to grow this channel. Also, don't forget to get that free Lucid stock. Again, using that link down below to Moomoo, put in $100 into that account. That will get you that free Lucid stock. In addition to this, Moomoo is giving my viewers 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Like I said, my viewers have written me that they received Netflix, Tesla, Lucid, Amazon, and Apple stocks. Congratulations to those viewers. Don't forget to get your free stocks. But thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.